friends, Kathleen here. This episode of Sweetly Savory, I'm going to do something a little different and share the background of something that I love, chickpeas. Did you know that even Charlemagne knew about these? Let's take a look at their humble beginnings, and I'll make some from scratch, something I've never done before. Get in your Wayback Machine with me. This is Sweetly Savory. Before diving into their history, let's get our chickpeas ready to be cooked. Getting a pound of them looks a lot like a bag of split peas, and I found them in the same aisle, thankfully. Soak the full bag in 6 to 8 cups of water, enough to cover at least 2 inches over the chickpeas. They will nearly double in size. Tuck them in for the night. Let's go back to the land before time. Nope, not that one. The Fertile Crescent. Archaeologists originally found chickpeas in the southeast region of Turkey around 8800 BC. They've also been found at sites in France, Greece, and India, then eventually finding their way to the New World by the 16th century. At the beginning of the episode, I mentioned that Charlemagne, or Charles the Great, the first Holy Roman Emperor, had chickpeas on his radar. In his manuscript, Capitulare de Villis, he explained that they were to be grown on the manor, and the arbiter is delegated to ensure both quality and quantity are up to par. We're going to have to take translators H.R. Loyne and J. Percival's words that chickpeas were included, since I last took Latin in 2004. Another fun fact is that in Germany, as far back as 1793, Beethoven's lifetime, and again during World War I, people would ground up roasted chickpeas as a substitute for coffee. There are even YouTubers out there today who are still doing this, but drinker beware, it's decaffeinated. And while chickpeas are simple in appearance, their benefits are boundless. High in soluble fiber, low on the glycemic index, and can help lower bad cholesterol. They're like the Dwight Schrute of legumes, because they can lower cholesterol. Sometimes things that are good for you can tend to taste bad or like nothing at all. Except that's why I love chickpeas. They can be transformed into spicy Indian curries or sweet brownie hummus. Now that it's the next day, drain and rinse your soaked chickpeas. The smell under the lid is anything less than appetizing, almost as if the chickpeas farted, to be frank. That smell will wear off during boiling, and a nice earthy aroma will replace it. Anyway, fill that same pot back up with water and cook the chickpeas for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. You will want them to be soft and malleable so they are easily digestible. Drain off the aquafaba, that water that's in the canned version. This is how it's made! And they're done. If you don't mind me, I'm gonna go make some of my favorite Hana masala now. You can see how it's made by clicking the next video. If you'd like to learn more about chickpeas yourself, I've linked all my sources in the description below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time on Sweetly Savory.